What's up, guys? Freestyle coming back at ya. Been kind of busy. Just thought I'd do a little video review, first impression, quick look at the Eagle iOS app. Ooh, Eagle Gamepad iOS app. Fun. iPhone app, whatever you want to call it. They got it done. They were working on this while they were also working on the Eagle APK, which is the Android version of this, and they rolled this one out for us. It's pretty cool. I think it's probably still in the works, as it doesn't seem like it has the full functionality of the Android version, but I think they're getting really close. You'll notice there's a couple categories on the top there. We got a latest category, popular category, advice category. That's pretty cool. And you got some menus on the bottom. You got a home one right there. You got one that says category right there. The next one says forum. The next one says my games and more. So I imagine you could navigate with those. We'll click popular, and it says found 20 games. Ooh, and it says what they are. And if you notice to the right of those, it'll say what language they are, English and FC. I imagine the little FC right there, there's a language, English. The little FC probably stands for which emulator system it comes from. I'm imagining FC is probably abbreviation for the Famicom system, so you could look at that. That's pretty cool, So that was popular, and then we can go to latest. Let's click latest, and look, there's the latest. Same thing. It says found 100 games. Tells you the size of the game right there, what the game is. You could see that it's the English version of the game, and arcade. So that's that's an arcade, probably a Mammy ROM or arcade ROM. Then under it we got a GBA, Game Boy Advance, Pokemon Light Platinum, so these are the latest games. Found 100 games. That's pretty cool. So if we click home, we'll go back to the home menu, and it says on the top, home menu. Let's see what advise says. Found 20 games. Okay, wow, cool. There's 20 more games there. Alright, and now we can go to the category. Let's try to go to the category one on the bottom. So let's do that. Okay, if we click that, there you go. There's your emulator categories. It looks like we got Game Boy Advance there, FC for Famicom, GBC for Game Boy Color, MD for Mega Drive, WSC for the Wonder Swan, and SFC for Super Famicom. And if you'll notice, there's little brown boxes. These little brown boxes say how many games is available in each one of those categories. The Game Boy Advance category has 923 games. The Famicom has 754, and etc., etc., Okay, so that's the game categories section. Let's go to the forum section. So if we click the forum section, it's a blank screen. This is probably a work in progress. Maybe they haven't implemented this feature yet. Well, actually, that could be on my part, because I'm actually not connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's see if my connection to the Wi-Fi gets us a forum. Okay, so I click forum, and oh yeah, look what pops up. Our Eagle forum. Or actually, I'm sorry, our games engine forum. That's pretty cool. There it is. You can scroll, you can go through the forum from the app. That's really cool. Wow. And it works. I was pretty sure that at first, when it wasn't working, it had to be something on my end. And of course, I wasn't connected to my connection. Okay. And if we go to the My Games category, I could imagine this shows where this probably shows where your games download to, where your games are. You know, that's pretty cool. You could see if you want to delete your games, there's a little trash can there. There's a little arrow there that probably has more information. And the last one on the bottom says more. So if we go to the more one, there's different settings here. Account information. It has all kinds of stuff. You know, birthday, blah blah. Who I don't know what all that is. Change password, log in, log out. My favorites. I don't have any favorites. Okay. Settings, load. Okay, load images on mobile network. Load games on mobile network. Show handle. About, feedback, check for update. You know, let's check if there's an update. Already latest version. Click about it. Eagle Gamer version 1.111 bracket 1.10. Little bit of information about the application itself. But that's pretty much a roundup of what you get with the Eagle iOS app for the Eagle gamepad that it's compatible with.